Hello guys, hello, my name is Yelena, welcome back to my channel. Today is another sugar cookie, very easy one. For Thanksgiving it will be a slice of pumpkin pie. Alright, so again I'm using my royal icing to fill the cookie's background. Just like so. So you just thin it out with water to the consistency that you need. So make sure it's thick enough and it will not run off the edge of the cookie. And if it looks a little rough like this, you can help yourself with toothpick or just shake the cookie a little bit back and forth and let it dry a little bit so we can put the details on top. And this one is super easy cookie. I love to make that, it looks so good. All right, so let it dry. See, it start to looking matte, so that's what we need. And let's pipe a crust. So I'm using rose tip number 101. It's the smallest rose tip. And for the whipped cream on top, it will be star tip number 22. Ta-da! Thank you guys for watching this short video. I hope you enjoyed it and we'll see you next video. Don't forget to like this one and subscribe to my channel. Bye!